girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Dan and Shay, we had that combo here on Gordon Guitar before, this time with a song called Always Gonna Be. So, like usually with these two guys, it's very guitar-friendly songs, and this is not an exception from that. Great, easy guitar song as well. So, to have it in the best way for us and easy chords, capo on third, that's what's going on. And we have the famous four chords G, D, E minor, and C with that capo on third. So let's go over the chords. If you don't know them, we'll look at them now. So G is the first one, third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next is the D, so open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And that's it. So the challenging part here could be the strumming pattern, and that is not that hard either. But anyway, the chords are very easy. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern here, and we will start with the G. That's the first chord. So grab that one. This strumming pattern needs to be divided into two different parts later for the chorus. And it goes pretty much just a small variation there, but pretty much in the same way through the entire song here. So differs a little bit in the ending. So we're gonna look at the verse and chorus play. That's the two different parts for the song. So first, learning the strumming, the G here. The first part will be like this. Okay, so what you do here is a total of 4 downs, but you play on the bass string on the first down, and then on the mid top strings down here, on the higher notes on the second down. And then you do that again. So bass, top, bass, top. That's the first part. That could be how it sounds. So if you listen carefully, sometimes you don't hear the bass kick there at all. So it's very subtle, and sometimes you can go with more emphasized down on it, and sometimes you can just touch it, so to speak, or even skip it sometimes. It should be there and have its place there. In terms of the timing and all that, but you can go by feel here. I teach both. I teach how it could be done here with the bass, but you can also skip it. That's how subtle it is. So it could be like this, very emphasized, but also like this. All right. So go by feel there. That is the first part. 4 downs, bass, top, bass, top. Okay, the second part here will be again 1 round of this, bass, top. And then it ends with up, down, up. Okay, so that's part 2. So part 2 was bass, top, up, down, up. So to put them together, these parts, bass, top on part 1, and then part 2, bass, top, up, down, up. Sounds like this. And to get the feel for rhythm here, I'm gonna play a couple rounds for you. It goes like this. Yeah, so there you have it. All right, so the verse will be 1 string round for the following chords: G, D, E minor, and C. So very easy. Goes like this. Okay, so that's the verse play. The chorus play is starting in the same way. You're gonna play G1, D1, E minor 1, and then it's just the ending that differs. You're gonna play the C, only part 1, so the down, 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 okay? And then you quickly change to D and play part 2, the down, down, up, down, up. So the chorus is G1, D1, E minor 1, then C part 1 and D part 2, like this. And that pretty much covers all you need for playing Dan and Shay's Always Gonna Be. So a great guitar song to practice some strumming and also these very common chords G, D, E minor, and C. So good luck with this one, guys. Subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you for your support. I love it to see this channel grow and it gives me motivation to continue here. So subscribe and like this song. So yeah, play tuned.